Alrighty, here we are on Tonnerre de Zeus at Parc Asterix. Gravity Group wooden coaster. That sadly don't have the backwards facing seat anymore. Oh. Woo. Oh, look at Gooderix over there. Oh yeah. Such a beautiful day here at the park. Oh, what the heck? There's a roller coaster train with nothing. Yeah. I wonder if that's part of the old Zeus.
I hope so.
That's cool. Alrighty, here we are at the top of the lift. And we are going down. Let's go. Woo! Oh, okay. Oh! 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 Woo! Woo! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh! Yo! Oh! Woo! 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 Yeah! Oh! 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 Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, baby! Oh, that's bumpy! Oh! 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 Woo! Oh, yeah! Oh! Oh, yeah! Ah! Oh!